Green screen drama story time. Remember these guys? Smacked into the side of my boat. Did a bunch of damage on the side here. Ignored me.
I cannot believe you hit the side of
me getting mad. So here we are 2 weeks later. And it's 7:45 in the morning, and I saw another one of these fisherman boats starting up. I should probably go over this side because I know that the dots are over here. So that's me. Okay, saw another one of the fisherman boats, and based on that last video, I now have some better ideas on how to non-lethally and non-litigiously scare
This is my main throughway here.
these dudes away.
At some point we
Here
should
he
suck
comes.
the air out of this so it's not in the way.
Right up by the boat.
Right. I got it down.
Got his nets. Crawling right up next to us again. And you hear me turning both engines on because I see him. And then I don't have the engines in gear right now, but I am revving them a little. And we do that normally so we can kind of warm up the engines. There's my husband saying, "How you doing?" in a not friendly way.
We're pulling up anchor.
Are you?
So we're gonna swing.
I got it.
Why am I so nice? Why? Okay, I pulled him back to neutral, and now I'm waiting. I'm watching my husband's arm,
All right.
and so I'm going to swing that way, and he's right there. He's right there. And finally, he turns his motor on, and the motor's away from us as we're swinging over. But, dude, I think, just got to turn on the engines.